Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and as you can see, got number plates here. As you can see on this car here, the number plate is damaged, cracks over here. I've got a replacement one. I've had it actually a while, it's been lying in the back of my car, but finally it's time to change it. So let me show you guys how it's done. It's actually very simple, but to put this one on, what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to drill new holes in this number plate. So here's how we're going to do it. We're going to remove first the older one, well, the old one. So you're going to need a drill for this. Okay. As you can see, the new one here. So this will do the job, this little drill bit. So what we want to do is we want to get the holes drilled in the exact same places so they fit in the hole on the car. So I'm going to line the old one on top of the new one. Make sure the lines are perfectly straight. Place them on the floor. As it's lined up on top, from the old hole enough. There we go. And the same thing with the other hole. So you don't want to screw them in direct, otherwise they'll crack. You want to make a hole first, like this. Perfect. So, 2 holes, change back. Change this back. And as you can see, the crack of the old one. So you want to gently screw it in the hole first. So as you want to screw this gently, you want to first get the screw out a little bit, so you can see where the hole is. And that's how it's done, guys. You don't want to screw it too hard in because they might crack, so you just want to keep it nice and tight. And as you can see, it's all done. It's very simple, but you want to do this properly. You don't want to crack the new number plate. Yeah, so now the car's looking nice and fresh. Have a look. Of course it needs a good clean, but other than that, it's all good. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so yet, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye now.